Welcome to Stereo Art. This video is for those beginners who want to learn sketch from the very basic. So the thing you need to get started with is a Curtis paper, 2B pencil, sharpener and eraser. So first thing you need to practice basic shapes drawing. So you can see I have drawn two circles here. The first circle is drawn in a right approach and the second one is wrong. The second one is wrong, I'm saying, because it's drawn at once, like we tried to achieve the shape at once, which is totally wrong. It not only for circle, it also for lines. Like if you want to get a very straight line, you should never try to draw the line at once. So we'll draw the circle again and we'll shade and shadow. So start adding the circle line slowly and refine the necessary line. So if we imagine the light is coming from the left, the upper left portion will be the most brighter and the lower right corner will be the most darker, and there will be the shade and shadow. So we have started to drawing the shade of the ball. So draw the shade slowly, lighter to darker, and you must remember to draw the shade in only one angle. So add more depth to your ball. Okay, we're almost done with the shade of the ball and adding depth to the ball. So now we'll draw the shadow of the ball. So here will be the shadow of the ball. So apply the same approach as the shade we did just before. So you can see the basic steps, which is drawing the outline of your subject or any shape, and then adding shade, and then add the shadow. So these are the steps you must need to remember when you are drawing anything. So if you draw a cube here and the light is on the same direction, the lower right corner will be the most darker and there will be the shade and also the shadow at the ground. So we are adding shade to the cube, and later we'll add the shadow in the same approach. So I'll give you 3 tips to remember as you're drawing a very basic sketch, and know the right thing is very important when you are learning, when you just started learning. So the first tips is never try to draw perfectly at once. The second tips will be slowly refine your shapes. The third step is keep the shape hatch in one direction. So we should not try the multiple direction, it will look too bad on our shading method. So that's all for today. Thank you.